In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do AI face Mosaic Filmora. If you want to quickly blur or pixelate a face in your footage for privacy or style, Filmora's AI face mosaic makes it fast and reliable, even if the person is moving. I'll walk you through the process and share a few pointers so you get clean, consistent results. Start by opening Filmora and creating a new project. This gives you a clean workspace and ensures your settings apply only to the clip you're working on. Next, import the image or video you want to edit, then drag it down to the timeline. Dropping it on the main video track lets you see instant changes as you edit. Now double-click the video or image on the timeline to open the editing panel. You'll see a range of options for your clip. Scroll down until you find AI Face Mosaic. Toggle it on and give Filmora a moment to process. The software analyzes your clip to locate faces automatically, so the time it takes will depend on the length and resolution of your media. Let it finish before moving on so the tracking stays accurate. Once detection is done, choose a mosaic style. You can go for a classic pixelated look or a smoother blur, depending on the tone of your project. The goal is to obscure identity while keeping the rest of the frame clear and readable. After selecting a style, fine-tune it with the strength, feather, and opacity controls. Strength controls how intense or blocky the mosaic appears. Higher values provide stronger privacy. Feather softens the edges so the effect blends more naturally with the surrounding image. Opacity lets you decide how opaque the mosaic is. Lowering it can create a subtle stylized veil, while keeping it high ensures maximum coverage. Take a quick look at your timeline preview and scrub through a few seconds to see how the mosaic tracks with movement. If your subject is well lit and facing the camera, the tracking will usually stay locked in. Footage with heavy shadows or fast turns can be trickier, so clear, steady clips yield the best results. When you're satisfied with the look, click OK to apply the effect. That's it. You've enabled AI Face Mosaic, chosen a style, and dialed in the settings to match your needs. With this workflow, you can protect privacy or create a creative blur in just a few clicks, all without manual masking. Give it a try on a short test clip first, then use the same approach on your main project for a consistent, professional finish.